Okay, we're at the Hyatt House here right next to the Orlando Airport. Flying out early in the morning, so we got a room here. Show you what it is here. It's a fairly new hotel. Here's the, go back a little bit so you can see the door. Right as the left as you walk in is the bathroom. Pretty standard, decent size sink right there. Nice big shower. That's a nice big shower. I like that. You come in the room, you have a fridge down here, they said. Yep, asked if they had a fridge, and they do. Coffee and everything down there. Microwave right there. Nice big bed. I like the big nightstand. There's none on that side, which is kind of unusual, but I'm by myself here tonight, so it doesn't really matter. Nice big couch. Nice desk, big TV, and if it's not locked down inside, it's easy to get all the HDMI's back there. And they got a closet here, so I can peek what's in the closet. Extra pillow, hangers, iron, or any board and safe. That's a big closet right there. And I'm on the 6th floor. See down there. And I'll go back over here and we'll get some other videos of the other parts. Okay, here is the front door. I'm going to walk in. As you go in, the check-in window's to the right, and I'll let you know the lobby. I'm not going to be talking too much in there because I want to kind of keep it down a little bit, but you'll get to see what's going on. Nice big sitting area here.
So he's going to come back.
Computer work area over here. We have a bar over here every night. Restaurant straight ahead. And here's where the breakfast is at in the morning. Yeah, the person just asked, but basically I won't be having breakfast here in the morning because I'll be leaving way too early. That was friendly of her, making sure I don't need anything. These are meeting rooms down here. Bathrooms are all the way down at the end. And when I got interrupted, right there to the right where that gentleman is, that's where breakfast is, but I'll be way too early for that. All right, here's the bar right here. Take a peek at the pool. Oh, nice sitting area here. That little fire still be nice if it's cool out. Oh, got a little girl out here. Pretty nice pool. Not huge, but serves the purpose. And go in right here. Here's the gym. Decent size. Everything is Pelletron here. Okay, the elevators are here. The rooms are over here. But every floor, if you go here, they have guest laundry. So it's $3 in each. $3 wash and dryer, which isn't bad. So that's kind of nice having laundry. Right outside the front door, you got a Mexicana place right there. You got Carrabba's Italian Grill, Bonefish right there. IHOP is right there. And there's another place to eat, I forget, is right there. So you got 4 restaurants, like literally the longest place is IHOP, and that's a 2-minute walk. So very good place if you want to sit and go grab something to eat here, park, which is pretty nice. Let's walk down here and I'll take you with me. Let's go down towards IHOP. See if they get a run over the fat man going across the street. you guys think of bonefish? I think it's okay. A couple times that I've eaten there, it's like, I don't know, too many things fried. Not a big, huge fan of fried seafood and fish. So that's me, though. I might be in the minority there. Let's see what's in the middle here. I thought there was something in the middle here, another restaurant. Let's go back here. You can see the hotel. Right here, it's a nice little view of the hotel, the Hyatt House. Right across the street, right here's IHOP, the blue awning. Right across is Longhorn Steakhouse. So it's literally right there. So, oh, it's an insurance place. Maybe there was something here. So, yeah, so you can have steak, you can have, what do you want here? That's it. IHOP here right by, it's really nice, it's new and modern in here. Really nice, clean, and nice. Okay, final review of the room. The bathroom. Everything was great in the bathroom. Great pressure, warm water, zero complaints in here. Fridge worked good. I used the fridge, and Mike worked good. I brought some bagels from the house with some ham because I got an early flight today. I mean, I got to leave at 3:15 at the airport here. It's early. So everything's closed at the airport. So I brought a couple bagels with some ham. Kept them in the fridge and warmed them up. So I'll just eat them when I get through security. Everything's good. Bed comfortable. Everything was good. Pillows. I know I'm in the minority. I don't like those pillows, the super soft ones. I know most people do. I know why they do it. That's a me thing. No issues hooking up the TV. First, it has the Google Chromecast Connect right in their app, and you pull it up. So that's all you have to do is get the remote, put the Chromecast or their app. You connect your phone and stream whatever into there. But I got mine connected. All I had to do, their HDMI that comes in, all I had to do is take that out, put mine into my device, hit the menu button, and I went right to it. Ate at the desk. Desk was good. Didn't use cash, but I used that to put my suitcase because I got a large suitcase because normally I don't travel with a suitcase, but I'm going to meet my sisters. I got some stuff for them, so I have to drag along that big beast right there. So, which means on the way back it's going to be empty, but oh well. That's it. Got zero complaints about the room. I can say the staff is super friendly here going by. You always get greeted, ask to make sure everything's okay. So the staff is super, super friendly. So that's it. And I did go out and last night and I did work out in the weight room and everything worked great. First time on a Peloton, seemed self-explanatory. They're a little too chipper for me, you know, motivating chipper, if you know what I mean. But there, it's okay. So that's it. I hope this review is helpful. If it was, like and subscribe if you don't mind. I appreciate that. And everybody have a great day. Hey, thanks, everybody. Bye.